So Clubhouse finally arrived for Android. In case you don't know, Clubhouse is a new social media. So they say it's a whole new type of social media that is entirely based on voice. You have a bunch of people around the world connecting to each other, going to some rooms, and they have the option to talk, to listen in and learn things from each other, which is actually quite nice. I'm not sure how innovative is this in 2021, but right now what I do know is the Clubhouse is an invitation-only social media. All right, it first arrived for the iOS, for iPhones, etc. Right now, Android users already can use that one, but you can only get an invitation and not just sign in. Right, you can have rooms up to 5,000 people. So what I'm gonna do in this video, I'm gonna show you the latest version from Clubhouse running on my Android device, the Mi 11 in that case. I think I have still 4 invitations, so if you desperately want to join in, just message me on Telegram because I need your phone number and I can send, I think 4 invitations are still left. So first come, first serve, 4 invitations at the end of the video. And without any further ado guys, I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. It is Clubhouse drop-in audio chat beta. The first version was released on the 13th of May, but I've already updated it one more time. So I think this is kind of like the second release. So I'm just starting it. And you can just see you're now using the latest update of Clubhouse. This is the latest version released yesterday on the 25th of May. And as you can see, the Clubhouse team is trying to bring all the options from the regular iOS client to the Android one. The new things right now are, we are finally able to create a club. Right, so I'm going to show you how this works in the application. You can host an event from your club, right? And then of course you can send RCVP for events like, can you make it? Are you tentative, and etc. You can also check the RCVP for the upcoming events straight from someone's profile, right? You can edit your interest from the settings. You can deactivate your account if you want to do so. And of course, they brought support for Android 7. Who needs that? I'm not sure. But there are a lot of new things that have been put right now. So let's start Clubhouse latest version for Android and let me guide you through everything you can find inside. So this here is the main menu. From here you can see all the notifications, who have followed you, and etc. From here, you can see upcoming events for yourself. And here, guys, I still have these 4 invitations. So if you need an invitation, just message me and I'm able to send you one. All right, start a room. This is definitely the new thing. When you press start a room, you can create an open room, you can create a social room, and you can create a closed room, right? You can also add topics. So let me put here test topic. I'm gonna set the topic. So you're able to create an open room. Everybody is able to join your room. I have set the topic to test topic. From edit topic, you can put your own topic. You can also create a social room only with people that you follow, right? And you can also create a closed room. So now we have to choose people that will have access to your room. So let's create an open room and let's press let's go. All right, deny, I don't want to share my location. I will allow audio recording. And now that's my test topic. Right now I'm speaking, so my microphone is on. If I click here, see I'm not speaking anymore, okay? I can raise my hand, right, and see people that raise my hands. I have here also a menu. If you click the hamburger menu here, you see that you are able to share the room, to let visitors in, to search for a room, to report all your problem. And there is this button here. When you click it, you see social rooms are for trusted conversation with just the people the moderators follow. All right, so you can also tap here on the plus sign and you can ping somebody and try to invite somebody. From this menu here, you're able to access the community guidelines. So of course you should follow some rules, right, when you're in these rooms. If you click on the hallway, you're gonna get back to the main screen when you can see all the other rooms. You're able to find people and clubs. For example, Jared Leto, I can press on Jared Leto and I can see he has almost 5 million followers. And yeah, didn't really do anything much. And then of course you can also check for some clubs, and that's pretty much as good as it gets. I'm gonna join a room so that you can see the whole vibe. So what is here? Prophetic intercession, the spirit of confusion with Kimberly Daniels. Okay, let's join in.
That's listening by Facebook, every person that's in Clubhouse.
That's how it works, guys. I am not allowed to speak here. I cannot unmute myself. I can leave quietly right now. This is how it goes, guys. Once you get an invitation, you can join some rooms, you can create your own rooms, and then you have some nice voice chats with people all around the globe. I'm gonna leave the link down below to Clubhouse in the video description. If you still want some invitations, the first to come are gonna get priority, and I'm gonna send these 4 invitations. Please stay safe, and we're gonna catch up in one of the next videos. With that said, VST, over and bye.